guys, we're doing a vlog by 60 seconds. So because this is short and I will use my skateboard. Here. My skateboard is here. Let's go. Where's the dog? Good. Ginger! Bro, where's the dog? I'm scared because he's not in here, guys. So, where is he? Okay, so I don't know where is Ginger. He's our pet dog. So let's move on. And where is it? Okay, it's nothing here. But goodbye, guys. We're running out of time. Goodbye.